Today we are going to start the Chuck Close project. For this project, what you need is a paper, your photograph, a pair of scissors, pencil, flare pen, and scissors. The paper is on the 6th grade shelf over here if you are absent. Scissors are behind the chalkboard in this container. If you don't have a pencil, you can check the pencil box. If there's not one in the pencil box, please go back up to your locker and get a pencil. Flare pens are in the cabinet labeled flare pens. First step, what you need to do is you need to cut off the border of your picture. There's a white border on your photo that you need to trim off. So go ahead and trim off this white border and throw that in the garbage when you are finished. And then you are going to trace that onto your piece of paper with your pencil. You're just tracing the rectangle. And then towards the top, what you're going to do is you're going to make a value scale. You can just draw this with your pencil. It doesn't have to be perfect. And just break it up into 5 or 6 squares. You need to show me that you can go light to dark or dark to light. It does not matter which way you go. And then after you have labeled it, what you're going to do is you're going to use your flare pen so that you can practice. In each box, you're going to do a different design, a different line design. With different values. In order to create a darker value, all you have to do with your line designs is overlap them and add more to them. So let's say that my light design is going to be vertical lines. I'm going to space them out so that it's a light value. My next one is going to be closer together. So maybe I'm going to do a zigzag. So there'll be large zigzags, but they'll be slightly closer together. My next box is going to be even darker. So what I'm going to do is make my design smaller. So that it appears to be a darker value. Noticing I'm changing the line design and I'm changing the value. If I were to draw a light value of my swirls, it would look something like this. I would space them out and I would make them larger. My next value has to be darker. So maybe I'll use diagonal lines, but then I'll make it into kind of a checkered board. So it's a darker value. My next value is going to be my darkest value. So I have to think of a design so that I make sure it's my darkest. So I'm going to make loops, but I want to put them close together. And if I need it even darker, I can go right over the top. Please do this now with your flare pen and make your value scale and draw your rectangle. Here is a finished value scale. Noticing that my value is light and my value is dark here.